Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Pinterest and want to disable activity for ad reporting, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off this setting and help keep your Pinterest experience more private. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app installed and updated on your device. Open the app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest dashboard, where you can access all your boards, pins, and settings. Next, look for the menu icon or the settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open your account settings. Scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Privacy and Data. This is where Pinterest lets you manage how your information is used, especially when it comes to ads and recommendations. Inside the Privacy and Data section, keep an eye out for a category called Ads Personalization. Here, Pinterest gives you control over how your activity is used for advertising purposes. You'll see an option labeled Activity for Ad Reporting. By default, this setting might be turned on, allowing Pinterest to use your activity to improve the ads you see. To disable this feature, simply toggle off the switch next to Activity for Ad Reporting. Once you do this, Pinterest will stop using your activity for ad reporting, giving you a bit more privacy as you browse and pin your favorite ideas. And that's it. You've successfully updated your ad settings and taken a step toward a more private Pinterest experience. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and privacy guides.